Apple's long-rumored AI overhaul is finally starting to take shape, and it looks like Siri is about to change in a big way. After reports confirmed that Apple will lean on Google Gemini to power Siri's next evolution, a fresh report now claims the assistant is being rebuilt from the ground up as a full chatbot experience. If this pans out, Siri as we know it could soon be gone for good. According to a new report from Bloomberg, Apple is developing a chatbot-style Siri, internally codenamed Campos. This new version is expected to debut alongside Apple's next major platform updates, iOS 27, macOS 27, and iPadOS 27. Rather than acting as a layered upgrade on top of the existing assistant, this chatbot would fully replace the current Siri, marking the biggest shift in Apple's voice assistant since its original launch. What's especially interesting is how Apple plans to deliver this new Siri. The report suggests it will function as a standalone app that comes built into Apple devices. Users will still be able to trigger it using the familiar Hey Siri wake word or by holding the side button on an iPhone or iPad. But once activated, the experience should feel much closer to modern AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini. Conversations are expected to be more natural, more contextual, and far less rigid than today's command-based Siri. Under the hood, this revamped Siri will reportedly run on a custom Apple model built on top of Google's Gemini technology. That combination is said to unlock a wide range of capabilities. The chatbot version of Siri should be able to search the web, answer complex questions, summarize long pieces of text, analyze uploaded documents, and even understand what's happening on your screen. Image generation is also mentioned, putting Siri in direct competition with today's leading generative AI tools. Beyond general knowledge tasks, the new Siri is expected to go much deeper into the Apple ecosystem. Bloomberg claims the chatbot will be tightly integrated across Apple's own apps, allowing it to access in-app content and perform actions on your behalf. Think adjusting settings, managing files, interacting with app data, and using personal information for specific user-approved tasks. Users will be able to interact with it using both voice and text, making it more flexible than the current voice-first Siri experience. That said, there may be one notable limitation. The report suggests this Siri chatbot could lack persistent memory features that some rival AI assistants already offer, meaning it may not remember long-term personal preferences or past conversations in the same way, at least at launch. As for when we'll see it officially, Bloomberg points to WWDC 2026 as the stage where Apple will finally unveil this new Siri. This could mark Apple's most serious push yet into the AI chatbot era and potentially the moment Siri finally catches up to its rivals.